Hey, how's it going, you guys? Big Murph back at it again. Today I'm over here at South Beach, Miami, Florida. This is the most beautiful place out here in Miami, and as you can see around me, I have tons and tons of things to look at. But before we go ahead and jump right into this video, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button down below. That really helps to push this video out there so people can go ahead and see it. Also, too, if you haven't already, check out some of my other videos as well. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a first-person view. I'm riding a bicycle today that I rented from City Bike, and I'm going to go ahead and post some pictures up here as to show you the rates, how much per hour. Really good way for you guys to get some exercise at the same time. Really good way for you guys to enjoy looking at everything without having to be obstructed being inside of a car. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Popping. Wherever you look, it's popping. Mangoes. Mangoes. Yeah, it's popping. Wherever you look. Wherever you look, it's popping. Miami is popping. Wherever you look, they gonna look at you. That's Miami. Wherever you look, they gonna look at you. That's Miami. Man, it's popping everywhere you look. No matter where you look, it's popping. It's popping everywhere. Everywhere you look, it's popping. Everywhere you look. popping. Everywhere you look, you got thick ones too. Everywhere, man. You got the thick ones and everything. Popping. Everywhere you look is popping. See, they look, man. They look. Every time you ring that bell, they gonna look. The Savoy. Look at how much they want for the parking. $50 to park, bruh. What's going on over here? Oh, they're not looking at me. Boy. Where you look, it's gonna be popping. Damn, somebody got the Bentley all tucked away. It's popping. Everywhere you look is popping. Damn. We're gonna ride this all the way down. Everywhere you look, it's just mad popping. Parking lot's full, everything. They got the Jeeps on deck. Big fat tires. They got the G-Wagons like it's nothing out here. Popping. Alright, I think this is the dead end. We're gonna have to cross over here. Come in here like this. Right in here like that. By the way, it's Memorial Day weekend in case you haven't figured. They got bars everywhere you look, right next to the beach. All right, let's go back to that air show. We're gonna make this left right here. Look at this, right next to the beach. That's pretty chilling right here, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is chilling. Nikki Beach. Might have to come back over here. I might have to come back over here. Damn, Nikki Beach. We're gonna come back over here. That's the spot. Nikki Beach. Nikki Beach. When you come to Miami, you got to be in good health. You can't come out here if your health is lacking. You're not going to make it, trust me. You got to be in good health over here. You got to be in good health when you're out here. It's just going to be a difficult time. You can see the beach. They got the boats lined up on deck out in the sea. You can see all of that. You can come over here and rent yourself a nice little boat for a couple of dollars. And you can have a good time on the boats, you know. Endless bars, endless pools. In case I haven't mentioned, beach is right there. Thank you. Okay, we're over here near the air show now. It's popping out here, as you can see. So I'm gonna try to ride right through it, see if I can ride through this thing. Definitely just ride through here. We're just gonna ride right through it, yo. It's about 85 out here. It's always like this. It's pretty warm, I'm not gonna deny that. If you're intolerable to heat, I recommend you take a break every now and then, go in the shade. Carry plenty of water and stop by and buy more water. Ooh, my bike is not gonna make it, y'all. I'm trying my very hardest to. The sand is trying to get me. Volleyball nets case you guys want to get your game on. Plenty of nets. It's pretty hot though, I'm telling you. Especially once you start moving. You got helicopter rides. You can rent a helicopter, get a bird's eye view of Miami Beach. You can get the bird's eye view on the helicopter if you're balling like that. That's fine. Whatever makes you happy. Just do it. You got the muscle beach. Got the pull-up bar. If you want to flex your muscles, this is the place. I'm already worked out, but if you feel like you got more in you, feel free to come out and join the party. Workout Beach. All right, we're almost near the air show now. I don't know how long I rode, but my condo is in the intersection of Collins and 54th. So if you Google that, it's called the Pure, I don't know, Pure something. But anyhow, Airbnb'd it. You know how that goes. It's a hit or miss. This place is okay. It is lacking some maintenance here and there, but I got a spectacular view, and that's what counts. So I got the paratroopers coming down. You see them coming down right there, paratroopers. Again, it's Memorial Day, in case you haven't figured it out. You can rent yourself one of these little ATVs also. Anything in Miami goes. Anything in Miami goes. Right here, baby. This is where all the action's at. Alright, I might have to get off my bike right here. I'm gonna walk it. I'm gonna walk it. I'm gonna have to walk it. Popping. Everywhere you look, it's just popping. guys are interested, look it up, go join, and serve the people, serve your country. Look at this guy right here. Woohoo! Man. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. Where's the next one? Very hot out here in the beach. It's very hot. Probably close to almost 90. And I haven't even stopped by to drink water. It's all for you. I want you guys to see uninterrupted how it's like out here on South Miami Beach. Smells so good out here, all the food. Smells great. All the sights and smells. I wish you guys were here to experience it. Hi.
Fun lineup for you guys today. We also got the display village.
I wish I could have one of those right now. I probably won't be able to make it back to my place if I do. Popping. Everywhere you look is popping. It's non-stop popping action everywhere you look. Popping. Well, thank you for your service, sir. You know, I come all the way from California. Yeah, we just had an air show locally. We're nearby Travis Air Force Base. That's our local base over there. We appreciate you guys so much. I haven't even stepped on the beach yet.
They got a little heat in their step because of your great work. Now you're going to be working all day today.
They got Twin Peaks here too. Absolutely fun here, guys. I wish you guys were here today. Let this be a lesson in case you guys are planning a trip to visit South Beach, Miami. If you're planning on one of these holidays, like Memorial Day, this is what you can expect. Just don't stop over here. It just doesn't stop over here.
We'll see in a couple years. It's going to be some big machine. But the whole hotel center. So you have some performance.
All right, thank you. Hey, Mom.
Whew. No denying it is pretty hot out here. No denying that.
We're gonna get this.
All right, guys, come on, we're checking that rock on the wall right now. We got $50 cash on top of that rock wall. All you gotta do is make it to the top in 2 minutes or less. No need for speed here, guys. Climb up that wall slow and fast.
Excitement for the kids. We didn't forget about them. They always have a good time everywhere they go. Got the NASCAR out here. Miami Beach colors. I love the colors. They really pop. You know, the thing about Miami is the skies. I mean, after the clouds go by, the sky becomes so clear. Every color just starts to pop, you know? So bright colors, bright, vivid colors really go well over here.
Let's go. No way. No way. 17.
Exit!
18.
All right, you guys, we're at the end of the line. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video I made for you guys out here. Again, guys, thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next one.